In this video, I'm going to show you every single live action clip that you can use with Viddyoze commercial license. If you're new to this channel, we do detailed reviews for all sorts of items that matter to you. If that sounds great, consider subscribing and hitting that bell so you do not miss an item. Let's start with how I set up the Viddyoze right now. So here's the homepage of the Viddyoze website, and I want to show you that I purchased a commercial license for a one-time payment of $67 and not the subscription options, just to let you know that I'm showing you the commercial license version only. Going back to the home page, you'll notice there are different sections, but in this video, I'm only showing you the live action section. I'll show you every single clip here, but I'll pick this girl in Canvas clip to quickly show you how I set up all the clips. I clicked Browse, Upload File, and clicked on the logo my wife made for this channel, which by the way was made in a website called Canva. Then I clicked Continue and left everything default. I pressed Preview, Create, and waited for it to render. The only things I changed were the words. Instead, I wrote Unbox, Setup, and Review, and the channel's name. I also did cut a tiny portion out of each clip because a lot of them dragged on too long. Other than that, I left everything on default, and after downloading every single live action clip, I put them together so that you'll know what you can get to. Enjoy watching, and please let me know which one's your favorite. everybody. I hope you enjoyed these clips. Click on these other videos to see more like this one, and thank you for watching. I'll see you at the next item.